Hello and welcome to Vectura Backup and Restore. I am your instructor, Inside Service Technician Jacob Walt. All right. To load and save system configuration, user must register as a KG technician. System configuration contains, among other things, configuration of the belt conveyors, CAN connections, etc., all parameters that can also be set via the VNC visualization on the panel. The sorting configuration is not saved, so all of your sorting rules and such as that will not be saved when you take this backup. That is done a different way. So first you have to log in as KG Technician, going to the little man icon in the bottom left and selecting KG Technician, signing in with a password. Page to load save configuration can be found under Administration. In this case, it is Management, the pink red tile there, and then you'll roll into Data Management. See this far right one, light blue. And that'll pull up the restoration backup page for you. And it'll give you a short little guide for saving steps 1 through 5 and loading to steps 1 through 2 and 6 through 10. First, it's going to have you insert the USB stick into the PLC into one of the two USB slots right there underneath the CF card. And it will let you know if it's been detected or not. It will display with a little green light right next to stick recognize. If it is not recognized, exit the page using the K in the middle bottom down there and bring that page back up. Then the backup is started by pressing Save Data to Stick button, this blue button right here. During the backup, the status is incremented and the LED access the stick lights up. The stick should not be removed. So you'll have this green light right here, access the stick. And then down underneath where it says status, it's where you'll see your increments changing. When all the files have been written, the LED next to completed or done lights up, and now the stick can be removed. Saved files are stored in the folder Vectura config machine number date time and time on the format year, month, day, hour, minute, second. So right there is how your backup will look once you take it. The restore is always done from the Vectura config folder. Folder must be created manually or the desired backup must be copied and renamed. So if you want to restore a backup, you'll have to go onto your USB stick where this is saved and either create a new folder and label it Vectura_CFG, just like down there in the bottom example, or you copy the current backup and then you erase everything from the underscore after the G of CFG, erase all of the numbers, the machine number, date, time. So where it just says Vectura_CFG, then you can use that as well. It will not see it if it is not like that. And the restore, it'll start with a button, load data from stick. That's the pink red button there. During the restore operation, current configuration is first backed up. Only then will the configuration on the controller be replaced. You have your stick recognize button showing you a thing. If the folder Vectura_CFG or one of the backup files is not used for the restore is found, there is corresponding error message and the status goes to 20723 or 20708. Down there, you'll get the error code just like that. Vectura config folder not found or backup file not found. And this could be because the folder is not labeled correctly or something is missing. If it tries, close the page using the K, call it up again, try again. If it keeps persisting, give us a call with that error number and let us know, and we'll do some digging, help you out. Thank you for listening.